These are the last one of the girls. Why? Yeah, I would have told you.
Fuck me!
No, but me and Martha were like looking at them.
Are you recording me?
Oh, yeah. I'm sorry.
Fucking so.
It does.
I have a fucking shoe on, you idiot.
Oh god. Are you okay? You sure?
My finger is good now.
Are you gonna
Yeah?
put that on YouTube?
Probably not.
Hey, I wanted to take a video off of Martha.
That hurt.
Martha's mom started
Fuck
video.
my
You know
shit.
that? Martha's mom started video.
She didn't see all of them. She only saw one.
Which one?
The Easter. Well, not the Easter. No, not that one. Not that one.
We freaking cut in the video of Martha. That's why I wanted to buy
Your mom saw them?
No, she only saw one. It wasn't the Easter one. It was the other one.
Which
It was the one on your birthday. The Christmas one.
No.
Ew. Are you okay? Are you okay? Can you breathe?
Yeah. I almost ate my hair.
No. No, but no. I
How is that ew?
You're
You too, then. You guys, I don't sexy guys.
Ew.
Ooh, I like your eyelash color.
Oh my god, buy one, get one 50% off. That was funny, man. You should have seen us. That was so freaking hilarious. Alright, you guys, say hi.
Faggot.
What's up? You like my new hairdo? I chopped off my hair.
What?
I'm gonna chop off my hair, man. I'm gonna cut
Shut
it
the
short.
fuck up, you won't.
No, I'm serious, I will. Oh.
Alright, you know what? Okay. Should I put mascara or should I put my contacts on?
Contacts. Let's see with you. I want to
Yeah?
see you with the contacts. Let's see if you cry.
Have you tried them on yet?
No.
Yeah.
How are they?
It was freaking burning. I was like, oh shit. I was like, oh my god, I need a fucking contacts.
Don't freak out. That's what she's saying. Don't freak
That
out.
happened to me the first time too.
I was freaking scared.
I tried on my mom's contacts, man. Oh my god, my mother's blind. Alright, say goodbye. Say bye-bye.